Hello everyone, my name is Regina Onggata and my registration number is 2705079. I am from University of Sumatera Utara, majoring in English Literature. Today, I would like to do a presentation about voice analysis using Praat software. English is one of the languages in the world which writing system is different from its pronunciation, and because of that, it might raise problems in English pronunciation, especially for non-native speakers who learn English. The problem is caused by the way letters represent sounds or vice versa. In English, one sound can be represented by different letters or the same letters can represent different sounds. In addition, this study can be done by seeing it through acoustic phonetic study by utilizing Praat software, which is a computer program for analyzing, synthesizing, and manipulating speech. Based on the website, the main function of Praat is to help you to analyze speech. The software supports you to do speech analysis, and you can recognize the spectrogram, pitch, format, intensity analysis from the chosen speech. Praat was developed in 1992 by Paul Boersma and David Whitney at the Institute of Phonetic Sciences at the University of Amsterdam. Well, in today's presentation, I'm going to do analysis about English oral vowels by using two different sounds, which are native speaker and non-native speaker, by using Praat software. This study aims to measure the accuracy of pronunciation of English vowel sounds by student majoring in communication from University of Sumatera Utara by comparing it to the standard pronunciation by native speaker of English and to identify factors causing pronunciation error. In this presentation, I have divided them into three sections. Section 1, data collection, Section 2, data analysis, and Section 3, conclusion. Data and collecting data method. The samples that I used in this analysis is first from native speaker from Lexico.com, powered by Oxford, who is a male American. And then the second sample is from non-native speaker, whose name is Fatwa Widodo Ramadan, a third semester student of University of Sumatera Utara, majoring in communication, who is a male Indonesian. And then the word examples that I use are, first, front vowels, which are pitch, pitch, head, head, and then the second, back vowels are full, full, cool, call, hood, hot. And then the steps in analyzing these words examples are: 1. The researcher collected data of English native speaker from Lexico.com, powered by Oxford Dictionary British accent. And then 2. The researchers collected data of English non-native speaker, Fatwa. All of the data were recorded by using a laptop and a headset. 3. The sounds file were recorded in MP4 format, and to open it to Praat software, the sound files were converted to MP3 format. And then 4. The word examples were chosen by the researcher. And then 5. The sound files were collected to Praat voice analysis folder and analyzed using Praat software. Before going further ado about the data analysis, here are the steps how to operate Praat software.
If you tap the program, two types of window will appear. The first one is Praat object, and the other one is Praat picture. And the most important thing to understand is to how to put a sound in Praat software. To input the native speaker sound, open Praat main menu in Praat object, and then select open, and then select read from file, and choose your sample sound folder and click open. Do it the same to input the non-native speaker sound. To open the native speaker sound, please click View and Edit, then block the sound, which has the sound that you need in order to cut the unnecessary sound by clicking cell and
pitch.
And do it the same with the non-native speaker sound.
Pitch.
As you can see, there are several features in Praat software, such as intensity with yellow color, pitch with green color, and then format with blue color, and this one is spectrum. Because in this presentation, I am going to do analysis in first format and second format. First thing first is click format, and then click get first format to see the F1. And then click format, and then click get second format to see the F2. Do it the same with the non-native speaker. And those are the way how to put sound in Praat software. I hope you can understand well.
Section 2, the data analysis. From the results of identification that have been done by using Pratt software, it was found that the frequency of F1 and F2 of vowel sounds in minimal pairs are as follows. As you can see in table 1, the F1 frequency of front vowels E and E of both words in minimal pairs are different. The discrepancy shows the variation of tongue height when both words are uttered. The sound E as long height vowels has F1 which is higher than F1 of the short height vowel E. It is higher than E. Furthermore, the frequency of F2 of sound E is slightly higher than F2 of the sound E because both are equally front vowels, but E is a little bit more fronted than E. Next, in this research, the researcher took the 3 minimal pairs to compare the quality of the back vowel content by each pair. The results of F1 and F2, analysis of front and back vowels content by the minimal pairs pronounced by the native speaker of English above will be the comparison to measure the accuracy of the pronunciation of the front and back vowels by the participant. The following are the results of F1 and F2 analysis of each front and back vowels of the participant. The first and second formants of 4 front vowels sounds content by 2 minimal pairs pronounced by students majoring in communication appear to be accurate because the frequencies are very close to those of the native speaker, as can be seen in table 3. The F1 and F2 patterns of the vowel E and E show significant differences, indicating that both sounds are pronounced accurately, as is the case with native speaker pronunciation. Likewise, with open mid and open vowel A and A, which have different frequencies of F1 and F2, which denote the different way of their pronunciation. These results show that the student does not have a problem in pronouncing front vowels. Examining speech production acoustically will help us to consider whether a speaker pronounces words correctly or not. Boersma and Winnick have created a very useful software that can show us the visual representations of speech sounds so that they can be analyzed. Segmental features including vowel sounds have been a challenge for English learners since the phonetics and phonological diversities of language. The results of this present research have shown that there are vowel sounds that are often mispronounced by the participant. The most common mistake that every student made was when the participant has to distinguish long and short vowels E and E and U and U. Kenworthy, Frazier, and Brown stated that native language, age, exposure, innate phonetics ability, identity and language ego, attitude and motivation, and concern for good pronunciation are some of factors that affect our pronunciation. I think that is all from my presentation. I hope it is beneficial. Thank you and see you!